The value of a violin is now $5,000. If its value increases by 3% each year, how much will it be worth in 15 years? There are some things that do increase in value over time. Violins, I believe sometimes, depending on the quality and the care, can be one of them. So this increases at 3% per year. And so some people might think of this as, okay, well, I have $5,000 in worth, and then the next year it's worth $5,000 plus $5,000 times my 3%. And then the year after that, it's the $5,000 you started with plus the 5,000 times the 3% that you originally had. But then you need to take this whole thing, which was the 5,000 plus the 5,000 times the 3%, and multiply that by another 3% to show an increase, and so on and so forth. And this becomes very tedious to do this way. But you might notice a couple things. The first is that this I could rewrite as 5,000 times, if I factor out of 5,000, I get 1 plus 0.03. This next one, if I factor it out of 5,000, I get 1 plus 0.03 plus 5,000 times 1 plus 0.03 times. So does this work out? Let me think about this. Is this right? Let me think about this first. So here I would have 5,000 plus the 0.053. Let's add that in. 150 bucks. So that's 1550. So now I need to figure out how to take the 1550 and grow that. So this together is 1550, and then I should be taking 3% more on that. So I should be getting another $154.50 into that. So 53.50 this should come out to be. So let's see, 5, 1, 2, 3 plus 5, so it's 51.50, right? Times 0.03. Yeah, that should be right. Yep. So I'm adding that on to that. But this could be rewritten in a slightly easier way, which is to think about that it's doing this, and it's being multiplied by this next way. You could think of it as 1.03 times 1.03. This was how much I had in the second year, times 1.03. Again, 1.03. This is how much I had in the third year, and then times 1.03. Or 5,000 times 1.03 to the t is how much money I have. An exponential function. Percentage growth is exponential growth because it's growing by a multiplication factor of 1 plus the percent, or if it's decreasing by a percent, 1 minus the percent. So how much would I have? How much would it be worth in 15 years? 1.03 raised to the 15. Calculating that out. 1.03 raised to the 15. 7,789.84 cents. Round to the nearest cent. So quite a good profit at 3%. So keeping in mind percentage growth is exponential growth.